This is the one for October, and I have already got my Christmas lights up because it's technically November. Oops. We'll roll with it. Ah, there goes the sun. Where are you going? You're not supposed to go away for like another hour. CRMediaGal here. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little while. I did take a bit of a mini break, really just like maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks off. So yeah, I just needed a little break. Things have been really crazy. As you can see, I'm semi-decorated now for the holidays. I might show you guys what I've done here. I did all of my decorating last weekend, the first weekend of November, for the rest of the house. So I might show you guys that if that interests you at all. All that aside, I've been really busy, so I just haven't had a chance to really sit down and do many videos, so I apologize for my absence. But anyway, I am here because I have the October GeekGear Wizardry, the October GeekGear Wizardry box. So mine just arrived today. It is 8th of November, so that's pretty on par with when I usually get these boxes. I'm excited to get into this. I know I've mentioned this a couple times on this channel. I don't think I'm going to be doing the GeekGear Wizardry box much longer. Not because I don't like them, I do love them. They're very pricey, unfortunately, so I think I've gotten mine through the end of the year. I'd like to figure out a way to financially make it work and keep going with these, but I'm not sure. We'll see. If you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is CRMediaGal, also known as Andrea in the fandom and fanfiction world. I would love to have you as a subscriber. So if you like Harry Potter related content or unboxings, such as the GeekGear Wizardry unboxings, be sure to click the subscribe button down below and be sure to click the notification bell so that you get alerts from me. And be sure to give this video a thumb up. I'd really appreciate it. It supports my channel and lets me know what kind of content you guys like to see on here. Let's get into the box. This is always so much fun. I'm gonna miss doing this. Now mine is obviously green because I'm a Slytherin. You get to choose your house when you become a subscriber. We got the green tissue paper on top and the pamphlet. We'll save that for later. Ooh, something really bright on top. I'm trying to remember this. This is the October box, so it's probably going to be somewhat Halloween themed, I would think. And we'll let you guys get the sneak peek. What is this? Oh my gosh, that took me a minute. It's Fox with the flame in the background. That is kind of tough to make out, at least to me at the off, but then, I'm kind of looking at it at a weird angle versus how you guys are seeing it. I mean, I like it. I just wish it was more defined and maybe not the black and yellow. I'm not the biggest fan of black and yellow. This feels really soft too. I have noticed a difference since I first became a subscriber back in April or May of this year. You can go back and watch my other unboxings, but their shirts have definitely become much more comfortable than they used to be. I mean, we've gotten better shirts, but it's not bad. All right, I'm gonna try and fix this lighting a little bit. Yeah, now I've kind of got a glare. Sorry guys, I can't win. All right, let's move on to the next item. Okay, so here we got official license merch. We got one of the nano metal figures, and it is, almost dropped him, it's Harry. That's a surprise. I would never have expected to get a nano metal figure in here. If you've watched any of my Harry Potter hauls, I have got both of the Snape nano metal figures, and those are really the only ones I wanted to collect, but that's cute. I'm just gonna grab from over here, because I think that's easier because I keep dropping the box. This looks like a scarf. Slytherin scarf, too. This feels nice and soft. Really pretty. That's nice. I mean, it's kind of like stretched out, but I mean, you can still make out what it is. I do like that. I might, in fact, wear this for the rest of the video. That's nice. Always guaranteed at least one recipe. The first one I'm seeing really kind of grosses me out. Spider roast. And then second one is berry and mascarpone. Am I saying that right? I'm sorry, guys. Mascarpone pies. I've never heard of that. Oh, but it's in the shape of a snake and a star. That's interesting. I've yet to make any of these recipes, but they're interesting. I would like to attempt them at some point. I say that in every unboxing, but I really do. I'm just not much of a cook or a baker, so the recipes I'm always kind of meh about. I can do without them, but I mean, they're cute. Looks like we got a Bellatrix Lestrange print in here, because you're always guaranteed some kind of a print. And this one is Wanted Bellatrix Lestrange. That's cool. I mean, to me, this would be a really cool prop for maybe like a Halloween party or something like that. But like in general, I'm not sure if I will display this. Probably not. It's a GeekGear licensed exclusive. So that's really cool. And I'm not sure what this little thing is, but I decided to save this for last. Oh, so it's got the Chamber of Secrets sticker on there. It feels kind of heavy. Oh my gosh. It is the Basilisk Fang that Harry used to ruin Tom Riddle's diary. That's really unexpected. I would not expect that at all. Pretty darn detailed too, if you can see that up close. I mean, it's a really odd sort of prop to have, but at the same time, it's really unique. I actually really kind of like that. I've never seen Harry Potter licensed merch of the Basilisk Fang at all. Have you guys? Comment down below and let me know if you have. I haven't seen this anywhere. Odd as it is, and weird as I feel about kind of putting this on display, it's probably my favorite out of this month's box. That or the scarf. The scarf is pretty cool, but all right, so now we're going to do the pamphlet that shows you everything that you get in this month's box. So first is the exclusive Basilisk Fang, and then the 2 recipes. The spider one still really creeps me out. I'm paranoid about bugs and spiders. I kind of have a phobia about it, so. Oh, and then these are the nano figures, and I believe you probably could have gotten any one of these. So I got Harry. Could you have gotten Snape in here? Snape's not one of them that you could have gotten, but there's a couple of Harrys and Ginny, Dumbledore, Voldemort, Hermione, Ron. There's plenty of different ones you could have gotten, so it's kind of cool that I got Harry. Then we got the Wanted Bellatrix frame. I guess that's really kind of suitable for the October box / Halloween. I guess that makes sense. Then we got the exclusive Wizardry t-shirt of Fox, and then there's the exclusive Wizarding scarf. Those are the other houses. Next month's box hint is the festive box. I'm excited to see what will be in the Christmas one. I have a feeling that's probably gonna be my favorite box. I'm sorry if I seem a little like meh, but like this box, it didn't underwhelm me, but it didn't wow me, I guess. I mean, I'm fairly happy with everything I got. The more I look at this, the more I'm like, yeah, that's really unique. So this and the scarf are probably my favorite. T-shirt, it was okay, and I could have done without the recipes, but I mean, that's how I always feel about those. And the print's okay, but I don't know if I'll use it. I guess I just expected maybe more like Halloween themed for October, but that's okay. Yeah. Can't love everything that you get in these boxes. It's always going to be, you know, a gamble on what you like and what you don't like, so. But that is it, guys. That is my unboxing for the GeekGear Wizardry box for October. What was your favorite item out of all of these? Comment down below. I would love to hear from you guys. And I love getting to interact with you guys too. So feel free to leave a comment or ask a question about any of these boxes if you'd like. If you're interested in becoming a subscriber, I'd be happy to help out in answering any questions that you might have. I believe I should be getting special edition box for this month as well. May possibly be my last one, which kind of stinks, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and I will definitely have more Harry Potter and Christmas related content hopefully coming soon. So be sure to, again, click the subscribe button if you haven't already so that you can look forward to that. And again, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye.